Why did Krishna pick the cow? To be holy. No, well, of course, you see, for us, you see, it's like if you ask somebody that why he chose to like the friends he does. You say, well, I like you, sir, but I don't like the friends you keep. Then naturally, that person might not choose to like you. So, of course, as to why Krishna chose the cow, because we consider he's the supreme controller, so he can make anyone any way he likes to. But as it happens, he's chosen the cow to be his dearmost associate and devotee. That, of course, nobody can say why he's done that. But if you'd like a few other reasons as to why we can logically understand some of the good qualities of a cow and why they should not be slaughtered and eaten, you see, more than any other animal, of course we can't say. There are many reasons. The cow is the animal which gives us the most wonderful food, namely milk. According to the Vedic scriptures, we have 7 mothers, including our own mother and this Mother Earth. And one of the mothers is also our cow. Because we, right from the very childhood, we are taking cow's milk. Actually, cow's milk is not the same as any other animal's milk. You see, maybe every mammal feeds their child milk. But that is not really milk that we can take and get any benefit. Although there's so many goat milk and llama milk and so many things. Actually, cow milk is special because it is perfect food. It is the perfect food. By taking cow's milk, one's spiritual capacity to understand transcendental knowledge becomes awakened. And the cow simply eats grass. It eats just simply grass, which is abundant everywhere. And it produces milk, which is a priceless gift. You see, a cow doesn't hurt anyone, you see, except maybe in self-defense it might use its horns. But basically a cow is a very peace-loving animal. You see, so the cow is giving such a wonderful foodstuff, milk, and what are we giving it? We're giving it a bunch of grass, which is available anywhere. Cheap. Nobody pays for grass. Of course, if you irrigate it and everything nowadays in a commercial way, you may put some investment, but the actual grass as it stands is available for anyone, free. And the cow, especially according to the Vedic culture, even I visited a cultural exhibit of American history, and in ancient America they would use the bullocks, the oxen, to pull carts across the prairies. So they're bringing home the grains, they're like our father. So, according to the Vedic understanding, just as we would not kill our mother and father for eating them, similarly, how can we kill the bull or the cow for our tongue, sense gratification? You see, that is a terrible sin or bad reaction, because the cow is doing no one harm. Now this is the other thing is that a cow, if it leads his normal life, if she leads her normal life, it describes in the Vedas that of all the animals, you see, a cow is the last animal birth. In fact, someone who is a cow, when he dies and again takes birth, then his next birth is a human birth. But they have to serve their term as a cow for the full life and die by natural death. That means that when we kill a cow, that we are depriving that cow the chance of getting human birth. We're disrupting the whole laws of material nature. If that cow was left alone and to die a natural death, the next birth she would become a human being. Not only an ordinary human being, but a human being with the best and good qualities expected of any human. You see, so by being a cow, that is a great opportunity. But a cow can't go back to God, can't understand what is the self. That only a human can become a great yogi, can become a real understander of the truth. But that is the last animal birth. So what you're doing is we're completely disrupting nature. Again and again, you see, until we allow the cow to lead her full life, she can't get out of that. She has got like a prison sentence to serve. So many years as a cow. When she finishes, then she can become a human. So all these things combined. The cow is the least animal anyone should ever try to create any problem for. It's very bad reaction for that. It said if one has to eat meat, then he should eat some chicken or this bird or some useless animal. But by killing an animal, he'll also suffer some reaction. But it's not so grave. Actually, best food is not to eat any kind of animal food except in the form of milk, cheese, butter. Best thing is to eat vegetarian food which is offered to Krishna in love. Take that as prasad. That is the food of the yogis. That is real human food because there's no karma. There's no reactions tied up in that. Krishna, he absorbs all reactions from pulling the plant out. He absorbs all the reactions and he makes it purified food. So in that way, the cow, some people worship the cow because she is our mother, giving our milk. Some people worship because she is the favorite animal of Krishna. Krishna used to have spiritual cows and he used to play with them. You see? So for various reasons, people respect the cow. Some people because they realize this cow is going to be the last birth, is going to become a human being. So she is completely, if it says that if the cows are happy, then the whole people become happy. Because the cows are such peaceful animals. If they get happy, they have some mystic power though. They have some mystic power that if all the cows in the country are happy, they make that whole country very prosperous. And whenever the cows are harassed, that country all the time will have various kind of forest fire, earthquake, wars, and different problems. Even there's no cause for it. All right, thank you.